We're gonna get this video going, but first I feel like you guys should know what's going on up here because I'm gonna be grabbing this in more like this, and there are little palms on here. So this is what this actually looks like. I was taking a photo earlier and I was like, this feels really dirty. Get back in there. Okay, there we go. So I've been wanting to make this video for a little while. I got these a bit ago. If you guys hear that noise, by the way, it's a heater. I'm like so cold. I'm like, my studio is in my garage, so it's cold. So I got these like a while ago and I thought they were really interesting, and I haven't actually used them because I wanted to do a video and be using them for the first time in the video. So it's two products here. The first one is the Smashbox Triple Tone Lipstick. And this is what it looks like. Focus. See that? So you're basically having 3 complementary shades of lipstick in one product. And I watched the video on this and I thought it was really interesting. So you put it on like this, I guess, and then you put this one upside down so you can get the same ombre effect. And I was sent 4 shades of this. I don't know if they have more. I tried to look. It was kind of unclear. I think they do only have 4. And then we've got the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche. I think that's how you say it. Two-toned lipstick. This one is a limited edition. It looks like that, if you can see the two-tonedness of it. I only saw 2 shades of this. Let's see, but I have 3. So I don't know if it's already, like the limited edition has run out on that or what. I haven't tried these yet, and the shape was odd as well. So I was like, so on Sephora's website, I was trying to get some information. I'm like, okay, help me out. Like Smashbox has a video on their website with Vlada showing you how they use it and how it's meant to be used. And then Bite Beauty just leaves you in the dark. They're just like, here's a 2-tone lipstick. Bye, enjoy. Our work here is done. So I was a little confused. I even Googled it. I looked it up on YouTube and didn't see anybody do a review on these. So I just was like, all right, I'm just going to figure it out. So I'm assuming the idea is to create an ombre look with this. The way that this is shaped seems like it'd be a little difficult to use. So I am planning on busting out both of these, actually, the shape that it is. Like a rounded shape is not going to work for my little tiny cupid's bow right here. So I'm going to bust out some lip liner. I'm not going to try out every single shade here, but I'm going to try out a few just to kind of like see what these are all about. See if we like them. See what you guys think. See what I think. Let's see how they look. Also, if you're interested in seeing this makeup tutorial, I have linked it in the description box below. It was one of the previous videos that I uploaded, so check out the description box for that link if you're interested. It's like so winter wonderland in this bitch with this beanie on and stuff. I love it. Where I got my beanie is also in the description box too. Check there. The description box always has all of the information. Before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up if you are a fan of review videos so that I know that you guys want to see more of them. Also, if you have any products or any weird things you want me to review, leave it in the comments below. I'll check it out and maybe I'll use it for one of my next videos. For the Smashbox ones, the triple tone lipsticks, they actually say in the video to use the darker side right here to line your lips. As someone with small lips that likes to really overline, I need like usually a very sharp lip pencil for that. Otherwise the lipstick just gets lost in my mustache and then it just doesn't look good. So I'm gonna try what they said, but it doesn't look good. All right, so first I'm gonna go in with a nude shade. This is actually really pretty. I swatched this on my hand once, which is why it looks like that. This one is Nude Ombre. So we're gonna do it like they did in the video. Doesn't seem that easy to do. Okay. Definitely. Okay, now we're gonna try to use this as the lip liner. No, it doesn't look good. What is my tooth? That's been there this whole time and nobody told me? You guys are going to hell. First of all, this formula looks absolutely disgusting on my lips. Just right there. My lips are dry, yes, but a moisturizing lipstick you think would kind of cover that. So the description box says skip the crazy complicated lip tutorials. Each triple tone lipstick has 3 pigmented packed shades that are perfectly placed to give you faster ombre. Okay, I would never say that this was fast. I think that there's a lot to be done here still. I think that I need to go in and I'm looking around for a lip liner that's gonna work for this. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. That looks cute. I really like the shades. I think they're really pretty. I don't think the formula is looking good on my dry lips. I think I need to make sure they're a little more hydrated. Next, I'm gonna be using the Berry Ombre. So we're gonna try this one. See how it goes. Love the idea of making things easier for people, but I honestly think that it really just complicated it for me, because even though I'd have to spend more and get a lip liner and 2 lipsticks as opposed to just 1, I think that trying to tell someone to use the edge of this rounded lipstick to create a liner is a little crazy. I just don't think that, like, I like where their head was at trying to make it easier. I just personally, it doesn't really work for me. Maybe somebody this does work really well for, maybe they're used to lining their lips with lipstick. I'm just so used to a pencil that it's so much easier for me and I can do it so much faster. So I would personally rather spend the money and buy a corresponding lip liner and use that. I always need my lip liner super sharp. I love the shades that they chose together. I don't think that this formula looks good on my lips. I think that I need to really drink some more water. Oh, I also wanted to mention, I don't like how you have to flip this upside down and like cover half your face to like get it on there and then kind of do a twisty thing. Like in the video they showed that and I was just like, that just looks complicated already. Like there's a learning curve. Like I'm not down for that. So I don't know. Next we have the Bite Beauty double-sided, what are they? The Amuse Bouche two-toned lipstick. I think I said this before, but these are limited edition, so they aren't a staple that's gonna be around for a while. But I've got these ones. This is a pinkish and a brown. This is a red and a hot pink, if you can see that. And then this guy is a deep like espresso and then a little bit lighter of kind of like a chestnut shade. Let's go ahead and do this guy here. Let's try this. And so what these are advertised as, let me read you a little bit about these so that we have something to reference when we're using them. Double-sided lipstick with complementary yet contrasting shades. Inspired by trends in lip art, these lip duos combine 2 beloved shades in 1 bullet. These complementary contrasting shades are come in 3 wearable combinations. Okay, so you get 3. I have the 3. So you basically can do, you can wear them together, you can wear them alone. If you want to wear it alone, then supposedly you have 2 different lip shades in 1. There's no parabens, sulfates. We'll put it on without lip liner first, see how we go. So first I would do the dark. Ooh, it's like, smells minty. Okay, I'm already super thrown off by this shape. It's like, interesting. Here is what we have. So we've got the darker one and then the lighter one. You know, I just think that it just complicates things overall. I mean, if you gotta be so, they're very, very similar in shade too. I feel like I liked where the Smashbox was going with the way lighter versus the way darker so that you could obviously see a difference. These 2 shades are so similar that I don't think it even is like having 2 different lipsticks. Like I would just keep one of those if I wasn't a YouTuber and I had these 2 lipsticks. I would probably just choose one and keep it or buy it because they're very, very similar. Okay, just so we can do a drastically different shade, I'm gonna be using this one right here. This is Persimmon / Kimchi. So I'm not really sure which is which. Let's go in, let's do this. Let's do something different. Let's do the bottom lip red and the top lip hot pink and just see how easy it is to keep only 1 shade on 1 lip and, you know, while applying anyway. Okay, if I had lip liner on this, wouldn't be such a tragedy. The edge on this is definitely easier to work with than the Smashbox one. I can't even look at myself with this like lipstick all snaggled up in my mustache and stuff. So let me fix this. I'm gonna put some lip liner on, fix the edges, and I'll be right back. There we go. All right, so thoughts. I don't love them. I do love where these brands were coming from.
Well, it's the thought that counts.
I love the idea of trying to fit more options, shades, and uses and products in one ticket price. I think that that's awesome. I wish that these did make an ombre lip easier for me, but unfortunately, I just kind of felt like it made it a little too complicated. Like it was trying to uncomplicate things, but for me, it ended up making it a little more complicated. I am the type of person that would like to just spend a little bit more money if need be and get a lip liner and get another shade of lipstick. If it was a dual-ended lipstick and it came with a lip liner, I'd be super into that, but I just think it's kind of unreasonable to ask someone to use a rounded edge like this of a lipstick to line your lips. I mean, of course, Vlada can do it. She's like so talented, but I'm over here like drawing my mustache pink and it's not a super defined line. So that didn't really work out for me. I do love the shades that they paired together. I think they're absolutely amazing. But as far as it making my life easier and making an ombre lip easier for me, definitely did the opposite of that for me. So I would just prefer to buy, like I said, 2 separate lipstick shades and a lip liner that will make my overdrawn lips defined instead of like just crayon drawing into my mustache. What did you guys think about these products? How do you think they applied? Have you ever tried these? Do you have any of these? Were you eyeballing them? Have you ever heard of these? Let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I can't wait to check those out and see what you guys think. Since you're already here, go ahead and click the next video on the screen and check it out. Also, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video if you do like review videos. It's a good way for me to know that. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your time on my channel. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video.
I am reading your comments on my blog and they're giving me chills. You guys are so awesome. And I'm so excited for all of you for your new year and all your goals.